Where he is? Ah, she's out.
No, she's behind us.
Ah. No, what I mean, the one that you take in the building 12.
Ah, she's going another one.
Nah, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Where we go? We go in the another side?
We'll go at home.
You know what I mean? This one, turn right, this one? Ah, okay. Oh, okay na yan. Ah, okay. This one is the entrance of Francis Resort. Thank you. Say thank you, Sisi. Ayan. Aguli. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.